In this video, I want to show you how to make purchases on Namecheap using cryptocurrency. So if you want to buy a web hosting or a domain name from Namecheap and you want to pay using cryptocurrency, this video is going to help you achieve that. So the first thing you need to do is you need to decide the kind of cryptocurrency you want to pay with. So you can pay with Bitcoin, Ethereum, a whole lot of them. Personally, I would advise you to use either Dogecoin or Litecoin because the fees are cheaper than using Bitcoin and even Ethereum. So if you've decided on the cryptocurrency you want to use, then you need to have that cryptocurrency somewhere, like your Binance wallet, your MetaMask, your Trust wallet, anywhere that you can have them, you need to have them because you would be sending it to Namecheap. So once you have that sorted, you want to come to Namecheap. And on Namecheap, you have two ways to go about it. You can do this when you have added the items you want to buy, like a domain name or a hosting. So at the checkout page, you can actually do this. But if you come to the Namecheap dashboard like this, you will see here where you have account balance. So Namecheap allows you to top up your account so you can put money there and use it for subsequent purchases if you want. So this can be convenient if you don't want to be like funding all the time. So this is the first way you can do it. So you can come to top up here. All right, if you come to your account balance, you see top up. So you click on top up, you would find that at your dashboard. So if you come to top up, you see the kind of payment method that you have. So you can top up using your card, but if you're a Nigerian, you will struggle to do this with your Naira card. All right. So if you want to top up using card, you need to have a dollar card. This can be a virtual dollar card or a physical dollar card. So I have videos on how you can get those cards if you want them, but your Naira card is not going to work. So the best option for you would be Bitcoin. Of course, you can use PayPal if you have PayPal, but this video is about how to use cryptocurrency. So we come to the last option here, which is to fund using either Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and more. So if you select that, you now click on Next. So this is where you need to select the payments or the quantity that you want to top up. So remember, you are like funding this account. So you can top up a minimum of $5, but let's say we want to do maybe $100. You can come here, write $100. Again, you can top up any amount that you want. So here you have two options. You can use BTC Pay or BitPay. Now, if you use BTC Pay, that means you can only pay using Bitcoin. Again, I advise you not to use Bitcoin because the transfer fee or the transaction fee for Bitcoin is quite expensive. So you come here, you select BitPay. Now, BitPay gives you more options that you can use, like different kind of coins. So if you select that, you come here, you click on Add Funds. So it's going to take us to an interface where we can select the coins that we want to use to make this purchase. Remember, again, I advise you to use either Dogecoin, Litecoin, or any other coin that has like very not so expensive transaction fees. So here you need to put an email because you will get a receipt sent to you after this transaction. So let's say I just put this dummy email here. So I just put this dummy email and then we can continue. So you want to agree to the terms and then you want to come here, click continue to payment. So this is now going to take us to where we can select our wallet. So as you can see, I recently used Trust Wallet. Or you can use BitPay, you can use Coinbase, you can use Exodus, you can use MetaMask, you can use Electrum, you can even connect your wallet. However, you don't need to connect your wallet. So for me, I'll be using Trust Wallet in this case. So you click on Trust Wallet and then you have to make sure that the amount you are paying, the network fee, you do not deduct it from this amount. So the network fee is required from, let's say if you are sending from Binance, Binance is going to charge you network fees. So you make sure that you pay Binance for that. So you click on continue and we can now select the currency that we want to pay with. So we have a lot of currency here. So we have plenty of them. You can search for anyone you want. And then we have Dogecoin. So if you click on this one, you can see even more coins. All right. So without wasting time, I'm going to use either Dogecoin or Litecoin. So any of them is fine. I use Litecoin most of the time, but Again, any of them is fine. So you just want to compare the transaction fees and just go on with the one that pleases you. So let me just use Dogecoin in this video. So you click on Dogecoin, and what's going to happen is it generates this address for you. This is a Dogecoin address. So you want to copy this address, simply click copy, and then you want to go to Binance, and then you want to send the coin or to your Trust wallet anywhere you have anywhere you have your coins saved. So if you come here, you can copy the address, just put it as a sender, and this is the amount that you have to pay. So just copy this amount, make sure that you send this exact amount. If you send less than this, it's going to instantly decline it. If you send more than it, again, it's going to decline it. So make sure you copy this exact thing and put it on the transaction amount. So once you send it, it's going to instantly pick it up. All right. And the moment it picks it up, you can now close this page and go back to your Namecheap dashboard. So once you go to your Namecheap dashboard, it's going to now appear on your account funds. All right. So it's going to appear here under your balance. So anytime you want to top it up, you can just come here and top it up. So once it has updated, you are going to see the amounts here. In our case, we should have $100. So after that, we can now go to our cart where we have added what we want to buy. Again, it can be a domain name. Anything that you want to buy from Namecheap, you can actually pay using cryptocurrency. So you can just come to view chart or cart, and then you can now proceed to pay. So here you can basically just confirm your order. And if you scroll down to the page, you'll be able to pay using the amount that we have funded. You now come to this page, and then you just scroll to the bottom of the page, and you see here where we have account funds. So if you select the account funds, you can just basically proceed to pay with it. Now we do not have sufficient account balance, and that's why we have this error. So if you had enough account balance, you can just proceed to pay and you would pay. So this is how you can use cryptocurrency to buy anything you want from Namecheap. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. And if this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe. My name is Good Noel. I make helpful videos like this. And I'll see you in my next video again. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.